you are interested in nuclear engineering and technologies, consider programs from MEPhI, Ural Federal University, Tomsk State University and St. Petersburg State University on nuclear reactor building, design and engineering, nanoelectronic devices for modern physical installations and radiation safety of nuclear power plants. University regularly launch new programs in the field of nuclear power. The oldest classical multidisciplinary Kazan Federal University has been teaching international students for over 40 years. It also offers a master's program in petroleum engineering. The graduates are highly qualified specialists in the oil and gas industry with the competencies and knowledge necessary to execute projects in Russia and abroad. Duration of the program is 2 years, the first year in Kazan, the second year in London. In case of successful completion, graduates will receive 2 state diplomas from Kazan Federal University and Imperial College London. You should also pay attention to double degree program in engineering. For example, the National Research Tomsk Polytechnical University cooperates with the British Hero Works Centre, which is one of the leading universities in the field of oil and gas business in the world.